Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Selkirk SLK Omega Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk SLK Omega Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed in the USA and USAPA approved for tournament play, offering a strong balance of power and control with its edgeless carbon fiber face and rev control polymer honeycomb core. Featuring Pro Spin Plus surface technology for enhanced spin, an edgeless Dura-Edge design for smoother handling, and injected foam walls for better vibration absorption, it delivers consistency and comfort on the court. With a weight range of around 7.7 to 8.1 ounces, a 4.25 grip, a 4.85 handle, and a 16 x 7.85 paddle face, it provides a large sweet spot and stable performance, making it well suited for intermediate to advanced players who want durability, spin, and precision. Number 2. Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm. The Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm pickleball paddle is built with a raw toe-rate T700 carbon fiber face featuring heat-compressed texturing for improved spin and control, paired with a 16mm thick unibody construction and foam-injected walls that expand the sweet spot and enhance stability. Designed to deliver a balanced blend of power and precision, it absorbs vibrations effectively for more comfortable play and consistent shot resetting, while its durable edgeless design maintains maneuverability. This paddle also comes with a protective paddle cover, making it a strong choice for players seeking performance, durability, and value in one package. Number 3. JOOLA Pro 4 Pickleball Paddles. The JOOLA Pro 4 series offers 4 distinct paddle shapes: Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, available in 14mm and 16mm thicknesses, each featuring a raw carbon fiber surface, JOOLA's new Tech Flex Power, TFP, technology, and a propulsion core designed for enhanced ball response. Dual certified for both USAP, PBCOR, and UPAA play, the Pro IVs bring precise weight distribution for reduced fatigue, excellent dwell time, and balanced power and control. The Perseus and Hyperion tend toward elongated shapes for reach and leverage, while the Scorpius and Magnus offer wider or alternative profiles for players seeking more forgiveness or versatility. With consistent grip sizing, refined core materials, and raw carbon faces, the JOOLA Pro IVs aim to satisfy competitive players who demand high performance in both spin and stability. Number 4. Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddle Set. The Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddles set of 2 is designed in the USA and provides players with a high-quality yet affordable way to get started, offering bundle options such as the SLK Neo Graphite, SLK Neo Fiberglass, or the SLK Atlas Raw Carbon set. Each bundle includes 2 durable paddles tailored for different play styles, with some sets also adding Hybrid Plus pickleballs and a convenient carry bag, making them ideal for families, beginners, or casual players who want a complete package. With trusted Selkirk design and construction, these paddle sets deliver reliable performance, comfort, and value for players looking to step up their pickleball game. Number 5. Warping Rhythm 16mm Pickleball Paddle. The Warping Point Rhythm 16mm pickleball paddle is built for players seeking a high-control, spin-oriented feel, especially suited for beginner to intermediate play. It utilizes a hybrid, multi-layer T700 carbon fiber face combined with a max cell, soft polymer, core designed to lower pop and reinforce control, making it easier to place shots and handle volleys. The paddle incorporates foam-injected walls/thermal sealing to reduce edge cracking and vibration, and its 10mm wide honeycomb core design enhances energy feedback while softening impact. It's also constructed in various shapes, elongated, hybrid, wide-body, and maintains UPAA and USAPA approval, enabling it for tournament use.